If you're looking at the maps this morning, you're seeing a classic year-end monster. We have a rapidly intensifying low-pressure system, what meteorologists call a bomb cyclone, parked right over the Great Lakes. A single storm is doing everything. Blizzard conditions in the north, a dangerous flash freeze across the Ohio Valley, and major temperatures shocked all the way into the south. Let's break this down piece by piece and get right into the data. First, let's talk snow and wind. Blizzard warnings are in effect for the upper area of Michigan and northern Wisconsin. And this isn't just about how much snow is falling, though totals could exceed 15 inches in some spots. The bigger issue is the wind. We're seeing wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour coming off of the lakes, creating near whiteout conditions. Snow is blowing and drifting, and visibility is dropping rapidly. If you're traveling anywhere near Minneapolis, northern Wisconsin, or Detroit, you need to be checking road conditions constantly. Many secondary roads are becoming completely impassable, and conditions will remain dangerous through tonight and then to Tuesday morning. This is a high impact winter weather, and it's not ending quickly. Now I want to look at temperature wise, because this is where things turn especially dangerous. This is a classic flash freeze setup for viewers in Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and many of you woke up this morning to the rain and temperatures in the 40s, but by midday an Arctic cold front slams through. Temperatures will drop 20 to 30 degrees in just a few hours. Any roads that were wet from the rain earlier are going to be freezing and turning into sheets of ice with very little warning. And for our friends in the interior Northeast, especially in the mountain area where tracking is a significantly icing event, some areas could see up to a half an inch of ice accumulation, which brings a real risk of downed trees and power outages. If you're in these areas, charge your devices now before and be prepared for possibly a disruption. And finally, a quick word for the South. Yesterday felt like early May with the temperatures. Today feels like mid-January. Places like Dallas, Little Rock are especially a 40-degree temperature drop in less than 24 hours. While the severe storms threat has moved off the area, strong winds and sharply colder air are now in the story. Wind chills will be biting, especially this morning and again tonight. It's a harsh reminder that winter is still very much in charge as we close out 2025. This is a powerful multi-hazard storm system impacting much of the country, whether it's blizzard conditions, ice-covered roads, or dangerous wind chills. This is a situation where preparedness and caution really matters. You should continue to monitor your local weather forecast and avoid unnecessary travel if you can, and stay weather aware. Strong west winds will be found behind the cold front that crossed east through the region last night, and uniform northwest winds aloft will also keep a continued urge of cold air into the Ohio Valley, keeping temperatures relatively steady through this morning and only permitting a little bit of a rise in a few temperatures degrees this afternoon. Another but much warmer cold front pushes southeast through the region Wednesday night and could bring some light snow accumulation. Now, we are still under a wind advisory, and it remains up until 6 p.m. This evening. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour, with wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour for Indiana and Ohio. Today is mostly cloudy with a high near 25 degrees. We are right now at 23, so it's not going to increase much. Breezy conditions with a west wind at 20 miles per hour to 24 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 45 miles per hour today. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a low around 15. West winds at 13 to 15 miles per hour with wind gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. Tuesday, partly sunny with a high near 26. West winds around 11 miles per hour with wind gusts as high as 23 miles per hour. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a low around 22. West winds around 10 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 23 miles per hour. Wednesday, looking at cloudy skies with a high near 33 degrees. Winds out of the west at 10 to 14 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 24 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, a chance of snow mainly before 1 a.m. Cloudy with a low around 18 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Little or no snow accumulation expected. And then New Year's Day, partly sunny with a high near 25 degrees. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a low around 14. And Friday, mostly sunny with a high near 29. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 18 degrees. And that's a look at your weather forecast. Thanks for watching Jim Scott's Weather Desk. If today's forecast helped you plan your day, please like, subscribe, and share. It really helps the channel grow. Be sure to check back for updates, especially as weather condition changes. Stay safe, stay warm. Have a great day. I'm Jim Scott, and I'll see you next time.